Here's an easy way to remove moldings from early 90s to late 90s, even early 2000 Hondas. For this 2000 Honda Civic, I have this side molding that I need to remove, and I'm going to show you an easy way that I remove it. So first we'll start here with removing this 10mm bolt on the side. So you're gonna have to remove the door panels, which is gonna make it easier. So I use a pair of needle nose and just squeeze the clips. So sometimes these moldings, if they haven't been removed, they'll have a double side tape, and you're gonna have to just slowly peel it on one end and move down. So I'm gonna start on this end and move my way down and just squeeze these clips. So this is the second clip to the last one, and you can see that the one that is at the far end is very difficult to get to. So let me show you a trick, what I do to get this out. Okay, so we got most of it. We got all of it except for one, which is here, which is very difficult to get. So what I'm gonna do here is close the door just at a perfect angle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide this molding forward. Oh. Okay, no damage. If you're wondering how to get this last piece of clip out, so I'm gonna take a pair of needle nose, or you could do it by hand, and I'm just gonna turn it to the side and pull it out that way. So with the side molding, this might be a little bit more difficult. I had to remove the panels anyways, so I was able to squeeze two clips out, and this is pretty much the same process as the front door. So what we'll do here is just kind of push this trim forward. Same thing here. So just turn it sideways and it will come out, and then you can just put it back on. So what I want to show you guys here is with the side skirts on the bottom, how to remove them without pulling them, breaking them, and just really hacking it. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to remove this splash shield cover. Okay, once this is removed, we're going to go underneath here and remove the plastic screws that go in these clips. Once those bottom clips are removed, the screws with those clips are removed, next we're going to do is we're just going to press this forward this way, just like that, and slide that out. And then these clips, you don't need to break them, you just turn them to the side and pull them out that way. All we need to do is we need to turn them half of 45-degree turn, just like that. If you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and please share. Thank you.